So you've decided to start investing for your child's future, and that's an incredible move. But you're probably asking, where do I even begin? The good news? You don't need to be an expert or wealthy to set your child up for long-term success. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to open a custodial investment account, including the platforms I recommend, what documents you'll need, and how to choose beginner-friendly investments that grow over time. Let's start with the basics. A custodial account is an investment account that you, the parent or guardian, control until your child becomes a legal adult. There are two main types, UGMA and UTMA. These are different than a 529 plan, which we will discuss in a later video. UGMA stands for Uniform Gifts to Minors Act, and UTMA stands for Uniform Transfers to Minors Act. Both allow you to invest on behalf of your child in assets like stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. The main difference is that UTMA accounts allow you to include other assets like real estate or property, not just financial securities. But don't worry. For most families, either account works just fine. You manage the account as the custodian. You make the deposits, choose the investments, and monitor the growth. Once your child reaches the age of majority, typically 18 or 21 depending on your state, the account legally becomes theirs to control. It's a powerful tool to give them a financial head start. Now, where do you go to open a custodial account? I recommend 3 reliable platforms for beginners. First, Fidelity. They offer no account minimums and an easy-to-navigate interface. Second, Schwab, great customer support and tools for parents. And third, M1 Finance. Perfect for set-it-and-forget-it investing with automated portfolios. To open a custodial account, just go to your chosen platform's website and search Custodial Account. From there, click Open Account and follow the steps. It's just like opening a regular brokerage account, but you'll be entering info for both you and your child. Here's what you'll need: your own social security number and date of birth, your child's full name, social security number and date of birth, and your bank account info to fund the investment account. Most applications take just 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Once your account is open, it's time to invest. Don't worry. This part doesn't have to be complicated. For beginners, I always suggest low-cost index funds, or ETFs. These funds spread your investment across hundreds of companies and follow the overall market. Here are 2 great starting options. VOO, Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, which invests in the top 500 U.S. companies. SCHD, Schwab's Dividend ETF, which gives you income and growth. Both are great for long-term investing and have extremely low fees. To make it easier, set up automatic monthly contributions. Even $50 a month on just over $1 a day will add up over 18 years thanks to compound growth. That small habit can turn into tens of thousands of dollars by the time your child becomes an adult. This account could fund their education, help them buy a first home, or allow them to invest even earlier than you did. More importantly, it teaches them the value of financial planning and gives them options. You're not just saving money, you're building confidence, opportunity, and legacy. A few quick tips. You can invest gifts from grandparents, birthday money, or tax refunds. Consider setting calendar reminders to check in on the account once a quarter. Remember, the earlier you start, the more powerful the results. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TinyTrusts, where we help parents turn small savings into big futures. We post weekly videos on investing for kids, building generational wealth, and saving smarter as a family. And if you missed our video on how $50 a month can grow into over $100,000 for your child, be sure to watch that next. It's one of the most powerful examples of why starting early truly pays off.